Okay, so let me give you briefly the idea of function composition. Okay, so here's the kind of diagram that I usually draw for a function, right? I'm going to call this one f. I know, it's really creative of me. Okay, what's this blob over here? That's the kind of x's, right, that I'm going to feed f. So this is the which word? That's the inputs or the, yeah, this blob is the domain of f, right? You guys see that? So that's f's domain. It takes stuff over here to the range of f. You guys cool with that? Then if all is good with the world, I might be able to do something like this. I'm going to do some function g afterwards. You guys cool with that? To make this work, right, the range of f and the domain of g have to sort of match. You guys see that? That's going to be a little bit confuzzling at some points. But for right now, just let me assume that those are the same thing for simplicity. It would be a little weird if they weren't, right? You guys see that? G is going to go over here. What's this going to be? This is going to be the range of G, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to make a new object out of this to do two things. And I'm going to just say that object goes from the beginning to the end and doesn't need that intermediate step. I'm going to give that thing a name. I'm going to call it do G after F. Cool. So you read that symbol. So I've got a G and a little open circle and a F. You want to say this business, you say G composed with F. You guys cool with that? So that's do F first, then do G. Cool. Alternative notation-wise, if I have an X here, right? Once I do F to it, what do I have here? Good, I have an F of X, right? And then once I do G to that, what do I have?
G of X.
Good, I have a G of F of X. Cool. So you can either read that G composed with F of X, or you can read it G of F of X. Cool? Questions, things? Okay. Be a little careful with this business.